Hey guys, it's your girl Skizzle. Today we're going to do a little bit of a different video. I'm here to help out my fellow streamers. I noticed that a lot of my friends have issues with bots, but I never have, and that's because I use this great tool right here. CommanderRoot, baby. The first things first, you're going to want to open your browser, whatever browser you use, and then you're going to want to hit the googly. And it should be the first link at the very top, and you're going to click on it. This has a lot of great assets for Twitch streamers. It has an emotes list, as a follow remover, follow list viewer, a block list and ignore list, block all new followers if you get follow botted. It has clip list view, a lot of great things. But for this video, we're going to focus on the block and ignore list manager. I personally discovered this site very early on, and I have never had issues with bots until very recently. And that's because I stopped using it. But that's besides the point. This is such a great tool. It creates a massive block of all known bot accounts. And do you know how many bot accounts are being created every day? That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. I want you to note that this is a very powerful tool. I highlighted it right here. I just want you to note that. Anyway, when you get here, it'll ask you to log into your Twitch. Usually it'll pop up, but for some reason it didn't for me. So we're going to click on login via Twitch. And then once we've logged in, I haven't because I'm on an alt account. But what you can do is click on this button here that says block known bot accounts. And this is super great because any bot account that's been blocked or reported, this thing keeps track of. So you can expect that you're about to be clean, crisp, okay? And as great as, blocking phrases and terms and all that does, it doesn't. All right? This bad boy, he's got the job done. From here, I'll be honest, it takes a little bit of time, sometimes up to an hour, sometimes even more. I started mine on my other browser before this video started, and she's still going, and that's probably because I accidentally stopped it. But it does take a while, I'll be honest. But if it gets rid of the bots, sign me up, girl. But anyhow, it's super easy, super short, not really time consuming. If you're going to work, you can just load this bee on and then skedaddle and come back and boom, it'll be done. It'll be crisp. Okay, so for me, since I haven't done this in a while, there's a lot of blocks. So it popped up this message saying there's too many blocks. There's over 25,000 to display and it'll break my browser. Fantastic. Thank you, CommanderRoot. If you guys found this video helpful, please drop a like. And if you're feeling pooky, drop a sub. Thanks. Love your face.